quick video on how I can sloppy joe mix. First, wash your tomatoes, any ones that you have. And then we're going to take the core out. We're going to throw it in a pot after we roughly chop them and cook them down to get sauce. Once you've got your tomatoes all chopped up, start cooking them down over a medium heat. Don't worry about the skins or the seeds. We will run them through a food mill and get rid of them. While your tomatoes are cooking down, grab some vegetables. I have peppers, onions, celery, carrots, and garlic. I will be using more of this. This is just an example. Chop them up and get them cooking in a frying pan. All right, I have chopped up all my vegetables. I added about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You do not have to add oil at all. That is your choice. I just find it helps cook them down a little bit. And we're gonna cook them till they're soft. While the veggies are cooking, we're going to take our tomatoes and put it in our food mill. And this will separate the skins and seeds from the juice. So you just add your tomatoes in here and then you turn the handle and the juice comes out the bottom. I have removed all the seeds and skins from the tomatoes. I moved the juice from the smaller bowl to the bigger bowl. We got quite a bit. Now we're going to put the juice back into our cleaned out pot. I just gave this a quick rinse just in case there was some extra seeds in there hanging around. And that's what the juice looks like in there. My veggies are softened. I'm going to add it to the tomato juice. And I just turned on my jars to start boiling to sterilize them. All right, the sauce is looking good. It has reduced a bit. I am now going to add the veggies and 1 can of tomato paste. All right, and we'll just give that a stir. And it's going to go back on the heat for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so we've cooked the tomato juice and veggies for about 6 or 7 minutes. We're now going to add some mustard, brown sugar, and apple cider vinegar. I used for the mustard a mix of Dijon and yellow mustard because I was pretty much out of the Dijon. So we're going to add it to the tomatoes and heat that through and then can this. And now everything is in. Just give that a mix and then put it back on the heat for a few more minutes. All right, our sauce is off the heat and we're going to fill our nice clean sterilized jars and then we will water bath can them for 30 minutes. Don't forget to wipe your rims before putting your rings and lids on. I just wiped it with a paper towel with a little bit of white vinegar on it. So your lid, your ring, and just turn it so it's finger tight. And then it'll go in the canner. Once all your jars are in, make sure your water level is above your lid. And then these will boil for 30 minutes. All right, all the jars are in, water is above the lids, and we are gonna move it back onto the heat and go for 30 minutes once it's reached a boil. All right, the jars have been in for 30 minutes. Time to take them out. There we go. Six pints of homemade sloppy joe mix using fresh garden peppers and tomatoes. Let me know if you try this recipe.